Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. 10 hacks for dark circles using castor oil. Dark circles can have multiple factors causing it. From lack of sleep and tiredness to hyperpigmentation because of excess secretion of melanin. But have you heard of castor oil for reducing dark circles? Castor oil has potent benefits that not just nourishes the under eyes but also helps in lightening the appearance of the dark circles from under the eyes. Wondering how you should use castor oil? We definitely have some amazing and easy tricks up our sleeves that we want to share with you. Castor oil by itself. The combination of antioxidant as well as the nourishing properties is what helps in getting rid of the dark circles and make the eyes look healthier. Aloe vera and castor oil. Aloe vera has beneficial antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and skin healing properties which along with the nutritious properties of the castor oil help in getting rid of the dark circles. Almond oil and castor oil. Almond oil is a natural emollient which helps in retaining the moisture within. Not just that, combining it with castor oil helps in reducing the appearance of the dark circles. Coconut oil and castor oil. Apart from the beneficial antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, the coconut oil has fatty acids which help nourish the eyes along with castor oil. Milk and castor oil. The lactic acid in the milk helps exfoliate the dead and dry skin cells from around the eyes. Not just that, the castor oil further boosts the overall nourishment around the eyes. Cucumber and castor oil. Cucumber has soothing and skin repairing properties which along with the nutrients of castor oil help get rid of the dark circles from under the eyes. Raw potato and castor oil. Potato has beneficial antioxidant as well as mild bleaching properties which aid in getting rid of the appearance of the dark circles when combined with castor oil. Lemon juice and castor oil. Lemon juice helps in breaking down the excess melanin secretion, and the castor oil boosts the moisture around the eyes, thus lightening the dark circles. Green tea and castor oil. The combined antioxidant properties of the green tea and castor oil helps in preventing free radical damage and even soothe the skin to lighten the appearance of dark circles. Tomato juice and castor oil. Tomato juice is loaded with lycopene and beta-carotene which have profound impacts on the lightening of dark circles. Castor oil reinstates the lost moisture. If you are done sporting those puffy eyes, try out these remedies. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.